Big alligator, he's amphibious. Big alligator, he's dangerous. But with a big alligator, you can be prosperous. I was raised in the swamp by my old grandpa. We ate turtle meat, a fish called gar. Grandpa told me about panthers and bears, but most of all, he told me to beware about halpati chubi nakshunichkika. Halpati chubi
This is a footlong, $5 footlong.
This one's more like a $9 brand. Yeah. What they're going to try to do is tire him out a little bit, so that the alligator's going to be a little bit more calm when you get on him. Alligators are about 52% muscle, so when they have all this strength in them, they have to burn that muscle up so you can catch them. It makes it easier for us to catch them, as well as you to sit on the back of them.
By the age of 12, I was sure of myself.
What James is doing here is trying to do a frontal catch by catching the front of the alligator's jaws. When he does that, that alligator wants to pop his mouth open. Clinton being the good brother is making sure the alligator can't jump at him. Alligators have the ability of jumping about 2/3 of their body.
Saying, halpati chubi nakshunichkiga, halpati chubi ukingeiwa, halpati chubi hinogajijiwa, halpati chubi himajajiwa, halpati chubi nakshunichkiga, halpati chubi ukingeiwa, halpati chubi hinogajijiwa, halpati chubi himajajiwa.
We're gonna go eat lunch. We'll be back.
Many years later, I remember that day, how the big bull gator swallowed my dog. Scars and pain haunts my life, but I've learned to live.
Thank you so much. I'll tell you, that was really exciting. I recommend it to everybody.
Tony Esposito, Jeff Fromm out of Kansas City, Joe Candido from Southwest Florida. We'd like to present you with an award, a certificate of appreciation. Thank you, Mr. Fred Deluca, for joining our mission to wrestle diabetes.
Well, thank you so much.
Appreciate your support.
That's pretty. I even got myself on there. You guys are good. Very good.
Mysterious. Big alligator, he's amphibious. Big alligator, he's dangerous.